A Roman shoe from the first half of the 3rd century. The original is in the archives of the Saalburg Roman fort. The closed shoe, a calcaeus, probably looked like this at the time. Let us observe a Roman shoemaker in his workshop making shoes for a customer.
Salve, sutor.
Salve et tu.
Calceos emere velim.
Libenter, elige aliquos quaeso.
Hi mihi placent.
Libenter, nunc pedes metari, et formam aptam eligere debeo. Calceus perfectus proxima septimana tecum ferre potes.
Sic fiat optime. Vale.
Vale et tu.
Out of this thick cow leather, the shoemaker prepares the soles. Two soles are needed for each shoe. An insole that is stitched to the upper leather and a tread sole that later will be hobnailed. In order to soften the tough leather for easier use, the shoemaker soaks the cut-out soles in water. Soft calf leather is more suitable for the upper leather. The shoemaker marks an approximate outline, cuts it out, and soaks it also in water. The shoemaker marks the humid leather and cuts it out. At the right places he punches slots for the lacing. Almost finished. The rough shape is now recognizable. Before sewing, the materials must be prepared using thread, shoemaker's pitch, and wild boar bristles. Several flax threads are rubbed with shoemaker's pitch. This makes them waterproof and the stitches stay tight. Then the individual threads are twisted together to make a stronger thread. A shoemaker does not use needles but boar bristles. They are strong yet pliable. He fixes the boar bristle to the thread. He prepares the holes with an awl and pulls the boar bristles and threads through from both sides. Both threads are pulled through and tightened. The finished upper leather must now be attached to the insole. The shoemaker pulls the upper leather over the wooden last and lays in the insole that has been reinforced with filling pieces. He pulls the upper leather over the insole and pounds it into place. After making the holes with the awl, the upper leather is sewn to the insole. Now the shoe can be taken off of the last and put on the anvil. The last step is nailing the tread sole on. The hobnail's tip bends over when it hits the iron anvil and clinches all the layers of leather together. The soles of the feet do not come in contact with the nail tips. A final check. Are all the seams tight? Do all the hobnails sit correctly with no nail tips poking through the insole?
Optime.
The finished shoes. Elegant, practical and durable.
Salve.
Salve et tu. Hic sunt calcei tui.
Quam benefacti.
Gratias tibi ago.
Eos experiri velim.
Libenta.
Me hercle. Optimi sunt. Nunc eos pendere volo.
Gratias tibi ago.
A tempus proximum, vale.
Vale et tu.